Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Pua from Disney's Moana. So let's get started. To draw this super cute pig, let's first start by drawing a circle for his eyes. So I'm going to start right here and let's draw this really big circle. Then I'm going to come across, say about right here, a little bit wider because I need to draw a snout in between, and draw another circle. There. So now that my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now there are two eyes in. Let's come in between the eyes and say about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve. And then I'm going to come down at an angle and just kind of draw this shape, kind of like a really wide, rounded off, upside down heart. So about right here, I'm going to bring it in, if that helps. Just going to round this part off, and then right at the bottom, we're just going to draw a little bit of wobble towards the center and connect. So kind of like a soft upside down heart, right? And then we're going to come here and we're going to draw two nostrils. So kind of like this teardrop shape on both sides. There. And then we need to give Pua a sweet smile. So I'm going to come underneath the nostril and just pull up a curve for a big smile and cap it off. So same thing here, just pull the curve up and cap it off. There. And then from there, let's see here, we need to draw the brow. So we're going to come up nice and high. So let's say about right here, right over the eye. And I'm just going to draw a curve coming down. So just thicken it up slightly. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So just drag it across about right there. And once again, right over the eye. Just thicken it up slightly. Then from there, I'm just going to lightly, there's a patch right here. So I'm just going to lightly connect the brow with the eye. So when you color it in, just color this part gray. Okay, so then now that we have that, oh, before I forget, I'm just going to draw a soft curve. Oops. It was supposed to be soft. Over the nose. And then a small curve right here as well, under the mouth. Okay, and then we need to draw the mochi shape head. So let's see here. Let's come to the top of the eye, and we're just going to come out about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. So same thing here, about right there. And we're going to go ahead and just draw a curve on both sides. So just drawing this mochi shape, and then we're going to round it off. And we want to bring it down. So I'm going to find my center, and let's just say about right here. I want to kind of end the chin right there. So I'm just give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And I'm going to bring this curve towards my point right here. So same thing on the other side. Just going to bring this and connect everything. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can go up, and we're just going to get thinner towards the top, just like a mochi. And we'll go over the brow to about right there, not too high. Come in about here towards the center and then bring it down. There. Okay, so we have the head in. Then we need to draw these big pig ears. So I'm going to come about right here, and we're just going to draw a big curve coming out. Say about right there. And then we're going to bring it in. Just kind of round this part off. Give it a little bit of a wobble, and then bring it in. Nice and big. And then for some details, we're going to come right here and just wobble a curve. So same thing on the other side. Just gonna drag a point across. Just kind of make sure my ears are about the same area. And so once again, I'm gonna go ahead. Maybe this one's a different shape. Just gonna go up on this one. And then right here, round off that tip and bring it down. Just change it up a little bit, make it cuter, right? So then once again, we're going to draw this part right here. Just kind of give it a wobble and in. There. Okay, so then from there, make it a little bit shorter. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and draw the cute body. So we're going to center the body right underneath the eyes. Maybe the center of the eye. I'm going to come up right here. And let's see here. Here and here, right? About right there, yes. And then we're going to draw a curve coming down. Same thing here. And then we need to draw the arms. So I'm going to come about right here. Same thing on this side. Right there, we're going to draw that line, and because we need to angle the front legs in. So we don't want to pass the center. Just keep that in mind. And about right there, I'll stop. And then I just want to bring this in. So it's a little bit thinner. And then right about here, we're just going to go zigzag for the hoofs. And connect it. So same thing here. Right there. Zigzag, just like the other side. And then in between, whatever space you have left, just come up a little bit and just draw a curve. Then for the back, let's come about right here. I'm just going to simplify it this time. Just going to draw a curve right there. And let's see, let's say about right here. So this is continuing out. About right here. Let's draw another curve. And in this space, I'm going to draw the hoof. So let's see here. Maybe it's easier this way. I'm going to come right here. So at this angle, I'm going to draw the hoof. So come in, kind of like a tulip. There, and just connect it. Hopefully that's easier. And then same thing on the other side. Maybe I made it harder, huh? Hopefully not. But we're going to do the same thing over here. So this is coming through. And once again in this area, at an angle. There, and just connect it. There, oh, so cute. Hopefully you think so. And then I'm going to put a heart right here in the center, a nice big heart. Kind of like one of the patches on his fur. And then we're going to need to draw some patches. So let's see here. One here. Another one here. Maybe a little odd shape one here. Here as well. And we'll just leave it at that. So hopefully I have everything and that you love this new Pua from Moana. and I hope you draw this cute pig fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.